Hello guys, I'm Kai in motion and here's the guide for stuck to start. The link below on the description. Are you ready to start Calisthenics? By all the benefits that I mentioned before, but you are still feeling a bit of stuck, right? I feel you, man. And the big mistake of every beginner is they don't have any plan, not because of lazy or not trying to do it, just don't know how, right? For most of the beginner, first they scroll on the internet, seeing viral, go to random to try it. Nah, I will never able to make it. This is not for me. All the motivated that gone. You feel calisthenics is too hard and quit. But wait a second, man. That's not I want for you. So this video I made to help you design your own plan. I'm going to detail how to split up your group of muscle to work on for your weekly schedule that real work and effective. Follow along for the next few minutes. I will save you from 100 hours of research and months of time to avoid beginner injuries make you quit. And first, to discuss why cannot you just work out the same group of muscle every single day? More work is more result, right? It sounds smart. But wait, it's not exactly. Let me tell you, you need to know your muscle stretch out every workout and it tears your muscle fiber and to repair it, to build it stronger. That's the magic, the real work growth and strength happen after when you are rest. It took about 48 hours for each group. So if you are overtraining the same group of muscle every single day, it will cause you injuries or burnout, man. It will not help you to progress or hypertrophy your muscle. So to manage the whole recovery thing, we split the workout into four main groups. Push. This is for your chest, tricep, and your shoulder. One of the most simple and effective for later on skill pull exercise is target your back, your bicep, your lats, and also your grip strength. This is crucial for good posture, preventing muscle imbalance, and build a strong back leg. Very important, it boosts your testosterone, improves your body control, it targets your quads, hamstring, glutes, and calves. Core, foundation for all movement and overall physical QT, not just abs. It includes your obliques, your lower back, and it stabilizes your spine and protect it. Alright, so where do you start? My suggestion for beginner in 3-day full body split. Simple but effective. Just perfect for foundation growth. You can pick Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays or Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And the rest is perfection for your recover, man. And why I pick it for you as beginner for full body workout. The key here is to hit on that main group of muscle frequently, but not overtraining any single one that prevent you from stress and stuck, and also more fun to enjoy every session. A group of muscle you can select 1 or 2 exercise, 3 to 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps, perfect for muscle growth or progress, and keep in mind to rest about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you are perform the best for every set. Okay, so this is the schedule for you. Let's go. No, I'm just joking. This is not for beginner. You will get there someday. Okay, back right to the serious plan for the absolute beginner. Let's go. And first we go detail on the push exercise. Let's start with the one scapula protract and retract. This helps you to feel the push-up motion. Keep in mind, don't do like this. You need to straight up your arm. Focus only in the scapula muscle. Practice it frequently. Then you can move on to the one push-up and incline push-up and then knee push-up. The goal here is for you to perform the best run of motion and to feel the movement of the exercise. Stick with it for 3 to 6 weeks, 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 to 4 sets, and you will see. Next, we are going into pull exercise. This is harder, but I will plan for you to have an easier task. And the result is produced is incredible if you are qualified for it. And listen up, this is harder because you are pulling your full body weight. That is not a normal person can do right away. So we need to go for an easier variation. Let's go with the Australian scapula pull-up. This one to boost your grip strength and to boost your foundation. Later on, we worked it on the hanging scapula pull. This give you more grip strength and move on into the Australian pull-up. Make sure to pull full run of motion, chest stuck to bar. Not going to do the pull-up like this. This will not help you to progress. You need to engage your core, twist your arm, chest to bar. The goal is to help you perform the best and to move on into resistance band pull-up. Can choose the thicker one to help you lower your body weight. Then slowly to pull your body up, straighten your leg and engage your core. Consistent with the plan 3 times a week, 3 to 6 week schedule, 8 to 12 repetition clean, and 3 to 4 sets perform the best. Then you will make your first pull up. Let's go! For leg, body weight squat is a perfection for calisthenics. It's very simple but it's effective. Feet about shoulder width. Keep straight up, sit down and going up back. It's foundation for you to go into piston squat. You can perform the same exercise each working day or swap exercise variation for one day. It's fun to working on variation exercise to build up your leg. Just make sure to perform the best, the full range of motion. Let's go. We go into the final group of muscles that's super important for body. Let's go to the one and the easy but effective. That is the flank. Try to hold it for 1 minute. The other one easy is crunch. It targets your arm, including off clip. You can add on the harder variation later on onto your exercise to improve for harder skill later on. And my recommendation for you guys to do for core is dead hang and leg rise. This combination bring you a lot of advance for later on with your grip strength and also the lower abs. Wait a minute, we're not going to end here. You usually feeling a bit of pain in your wrist, your elbow and your shoulder, right? This because you forgot to warm up at the beginning. Our calisthenics is more in hand balancing movement, full body tension. So make sure to warm up at the beginning of every training day, especially your wrist, your elbow and your shoulder. Warm up to make the blood flow into your joint and prevent it from injuries. It costs you a month of progression. Don't save just 5 minutes for it. Let's go. Okay, we go through overall everything. Then where do we go from here? My suggestion for you is to pick 1 or 2 exercise that you excite the most. It's no wrong choice. It's to write it down and set the small goal. Take step by step, consistent to get the goal. And one important thing to help you stay on track is work out without pressure. Let go of your expectation and allow yourself to enjoy it. Don't think you have to. Think that you are want to do it. Enjoy it and you create your own momentum. Once you create your momentum, your discipline, you no need any motivation. Every day is the same day. You enjoy to do it, you're willing to do it, and you make it. Limit your decision, focus on one or two exercise, give yourself permission to make a bad form and consistent to make it perfect. Alright, this is the end. All I give you is just 10%, 90% is on your hand. Hope you doing well on your journey to calisthenics. Hope you enjoy watching and subscribe. Thank you very much.